Hey guys, today I'm making mini hot cocoa slime. Slime is super popular in this house, and I was actually trying to make a hot cocoa squishy that was a bit of a fail, at least so far, so I thought I'd give this a try instead. This craft was a lot of fun to make, so I hope you guys enjoy. As always, kids do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. The mugs are made using wooden beads. I select a square and carve out the inside using an X-Acto knife and rolled up sandpaper. And when satisfied, I seal the bottom with hot glue on parchment paper. I make the handle using craft foam, glue in place, and paint both the inside and out with nail polish. I give it plenty of time to dry and add any details I like. Then make a face using black glossy acrylic paint and a permanent marker. I also made a printable because I love making them. They're a lot of fun to make. I printed mine on glossy photo paper. Then make marshmallows using thick craft foam and the second setting on my multi-hole punch. My bag is simply the corner cut off of a Ziploc bag, and I seal the sides and most of the top using the heat from a hot glue gun. I use double-sided tape to apply the label and assemble my hot cocoa box. Then I make slime using starch, glue, and brown glossy acrylic paint. I always add just a little bit at a time so I don't overdo it. And I just mix until I'm satisfied with the consistency. I pop it in my mug. It almost looks like cute little hair. Add my marshmallows. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. As you can imagine, it was a ton of fun to make. Thanks guys!